This 2021 Coachmen Leprechaun Premier 311 FS is a Class C RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachman is 31 feet 10 inches in length and features sleeps 8, oven, leveling jacks, air conditioning, DVD player, external shower, TV, stovetop burner, awning, slide-out, skylight, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, rear bedroom, U-shaped dinette. This 2021 Coachmen Leprechaun Premier 311 FS is built on a Ford E450 chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.